On today's segment, we'll learn how to make this easy and delicious spinach artichoke lasagna, so keep watching. We'll start by making our roux. Melt the butter in a saucepan over low to medium heat. If the pot is too hot, the butter will brown fast. If this happens, remove the pot from the pan for a few minutes before placing it back on the stove. Add shallots or onions and top off with garlic. The garlic is placed on top, so to avoid burning. Stir occasionally and continue cooking until the shallots or the onions are translucent, and that'll take about 5 minutes. Add salt and pepper. Add the flour and whisk constantly. This is probably not the best time to walk away and check your phone. Continue whisking for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll move on to making our bechamel sauce. Gradually pour in the milk to temper the sauce while you're whisking. If you pour the milk all at once, you'll run the risk of getting lumps. You're going to stir occasionally for about 10 minutes or so until the flour is cooked off. Roux begins to thicken soon after it's combined with the milk, but it's important that it's simmered for at least 10 to 15 minutes in order to reach its full flavor and thickening qualities. The extra cooking time allows to cook out the raw taste in the flour and also lends itself to a smooth consistency. Add the bay leaf and whisk occasionally for about 5 minutes until the sauce comes to a nice simmer and begins to thicken. Once the bechamel sauce has thickened, turn off the heat, add the Parmesan cheese, and stir. And remember to take out the bay leaves. Transfer the sauce into a bowl and place a piece of cling wrap pressed against the surface to avoid a skin from forming. Add 2 teaspoons of salt to a pot of hot water and add the spinach. Remove after a minute, place in a colander, allow it to cool, and then wring the spinach to remove the excess water. Give the spinach a rough chop and set it aside. Heat another pot of hot water and add 2 teaspoons of salt. Cook the lasagna for about 10 minutes on medium heat. In a separate bowl, add the egg, ricotta, seasoning, and mix. Using a rubber spatula, spread a layer of your bechamel sauce over the bottom of the dish before stirring in the spinach. Now you can layer the lasagna on the sauce, add a layer of bechamel sauce, sprinkle with the Parmesan and mozzarella. You can lay the artichoke over the cheese whole or give them a rough chop. Add a layer of lasagna, and then add the spinach bechamel sauce. Evenly spread a layer of the ricotta cheese sauce. Sprinkle the Parmesan, and then mozzarella cheese, and cover with aluminum foil. Put in a preheated 425-degree oven for 20 minutes. Uncover, continue cooking for 15 to 20 more minutes. If you want the spotty brown look in the video, place the baking dish in the uppermost position and heat the boiler. Allow the lasagna to cool for at least 15 minutes before cutting through. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.